When you want the best food items with speedy and on-time delivery, then look no further than www.jafoods.shop. That's www.jafoods.shop for your delicious baked bread fruit, freshly baked bread, tasty tropical ice cream with tons of different and succulent flavors. Fresh yellow tail, red tail, silver tail, any tail snapper you want. Home fillet foot, oxtail, fresh oxtail, Indian flatbread, a Punjabi the thing that chop. Vegan tuna roll, and guess what? Fresh coconut water. Any other beverage you want to wash it down with. Just go on www.jafoods.shop and place your order now. Welcome to Jamaica, the island of real bad man. Some real dog at you, some real gang bang. No run for the fair, the not garbage pan. Step up! These are the moments when everybody gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense no matter what. These are the moments when every gangster gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense. In Jamaica's relentless war and crime, the worst criminals end up on the True Island Stories platform. These are their stories. When dark lords crawl across the land, the midnight hour is close at hand. Ungodly ghouls kill at will, blood-curdling sounds of pilgrims' blood spill. T.G. Maxfield, evil spellbound, Jungle and Rima released hellhounds. Aroo! Aroo! Swines and parasites seek ancient scores. The stench of the south side in western whores. All killer Labinax knoweth who was boss. 'Twas Dadrick who spat on their corpse. As the crab feeders gathered at the gates of the Valerian shores, loyal foot soldiers paid their homage to Dadrick, Lord of the Seven Kingdoms and protector of the red-seamed realms, going against the evil that inundated the Badlands. Dadrick wasn't afraid. He served up his own cadaver for civil society to find peace, even in the face of death by his enemies. Sir Dadrick wavered not once, neither a flinch nor a flicker at the Grim Reaper's sharpened scythe at his neck, but instead held steadfast, wielding the deadly sword of justice, cutting down all his enemies with swift and precise precision. Dadrick hath many a infamous skulls to his mounted collection, to his heightened repertoire, and in this story will be added yet another, the coveted skull of the notorious Nathaniel Natty Chris Morgan, aka the Jamaican Butcher, who holds the responsibility for disemboweling many victims victoriously. Welcome to True Island Stories. This is part 5 of the epic magic Dadrick the Legend story. And now we continue.
Yeah, man. So I saw no them whole a boy, no, but me no go in other part as we incriminating because the boy was not a brother-in-law, you know.
Yeah.
So we can't state that. The whole informant, no.
Yeah, well, I'm a lipo, yeah. I'm a lipo, big lipo.
What
No, man, I sister man.
Oh, okay.
I sister man.
Okay. Yeah.
So now we hold him, man. Then they can't come up a flying squad now, and the man when me reach our work now, them have him down there interrogate him, but he not talk. So when me come, the man they must tell the bad say, oh wait till when the wicked man come. I bet you talk. So when me reach down, and him tell me say him did it, me grab a baseball bat and go in and Mr. Daily office. So hear the man them team. You see it? I hear the man here, so you die. I know the bad come in with baseball bat. Mr. But I'll kill you with beat, you know. And the boy I sit down and look for me, so I look for him with that. And me start questioning him and thing, and said to him, say, when the man want you to do nothing, tell you. He say, yeah. He say, you know, boss. I say, after me no fool, you think say me bad, so big. Then if man da bush a hide, he don't send message, can't tell you if you want, you can't go somewhere or whatever. He said, the boy said to me, say, boss, oh, like you're the only police you have said, see there, sir. That pressure be there, we can't take it, you know.
Yeah.
The man say, come in like, oh, you have one alone, and say, it's out, I will have the man. Because the man tell me about the Batman too, come on, the Batman, I go broke me up, and right away as you come, you lit the nail pad there, sir. And you know what say? Boy, we work with.
But that's out, hold on, that out there, you know. Same brother-in-law give money, you know. That out there, man.
Yeah, man.
You
know what say? I mean set up the boy van. Run wire in a boy van. And we upon the distributor and come in at the van and show him Fredo. And the night we all drop asleep at Dyke Road, you know. And wait for them to come, you know. Cause when the van come, you know, a 4 of them to come, you know, and when the man then come, you know, the man say, I'm going to pick up Natty up by train line on Dyke Road, you know. And we did it till we all drop asleep in a bush near down to we sink there, you know. Pan Dyke Road, you know. And when them final, we just put a marker in the road, you know, when they come, you know, the boy just stop the van right to a marker in the road, you know. And just come out and open the van bonnet, you know. So when they open the bonnet, he just jump over the embankment to the man. We just start beat at the van, and Natty they start beat it back. You see, you are that vehicle ball out, a setting gets set up. Yeah, that's so the man have a 16, you know. The man have a 16 with 26 rounds in there. And he fire out all 26 rounds. He fire the whole 26 pen shell on the floor of van in there. Yeah, man, that's how we kill Natty Bag, you know. Me, Dadrick Henry, Spungy Jajal.
Spungy did it? Never know say Spungy did it, man.
Let me tell you who did it, man. Dadrick Henry. Jajal and he Spungy. Taylor what we call Bud Spencer.
Yeah, man, him and Spungy is apart. Him and Spungy is apart.
Basil Smith, what we call Jomo. One little young constable named Cole, and the boy named Kimar Bailey Cole father. Call him Pot. One next brother named Simpson. We call him Jerry Curl. And Jerry Curl and who else? 7 we did it. 7 we did it. 7 bigger Ford never did it. All the year them a claim about them they did it. A year when the shooting done, and we transmit and tell control say 2 men down, 2 gun recover, and whatever, and we call the flying squad man them because we did have a A channel and a B channel, so we just call the man them on the A channel, and then come with the left vehicle them up a ferry station, and make two man go ferry go pick up that vehicle, and then go pick up my Jeep and carry my Jeep come give me, and me drive Natty and the next boy Bama, the ex-soldier, Lawrence. Yeah, and me drive them, carry them go KPH, go throw down, and bigger Ford than Mr. Daly and Kelso small, and the whole of the man then come there. Come see. come see me with the man them. So some man where I take some fear about them do some things. Them not no.
Yo, Dadrick, you know say that are the biggest operation in terms of killing out, getting rid of a wanted man in a Jamaica.
And you where the man them do.
Me not say none beat that, you know. Go on, talk.
Let me show you what the man them do. The commissioner at the time of the incident was a man named Desmond. The commissioner at the time of the incident when we killed Natty Morgan, them say the whole of we are going to get
award.
I go get promotion. Them are going to promote the whole of we. And then take we name the 7 away. And at the end result, just through me as a man who support the Labour Party. Me not get nothing to this day. A man named Isadore Dicky Bird. The man when he garnet daily. No grief from that time because Mr. Daly is straight up PME. And Mr. Daly knows me a labor right and I use him, them use it. And you know who them promote out of it? And we never did it. A boy named Pachagiri Wilson.
Jaja.
Get corporal out of it. Spencer who was a corporal get sergeant. Spencer junior police to me. Junior police to me. I mean they are senior corporal. Me and Jomo was the 2 senior man there.
Jaja.
And Jomo when it forget the inspector who was a sergeant him not get nothing.
Bomba.
And promote Bud Spencer.
Bud Spencer get promotion out of it.
He can get sergeant out of it. You understand? When at the whole of it forget sergeant and then we talk about all Spoongy did forget get sergeant and we talk about say boy and nicely and them man he was acting corporal. Spoongy was acting corporal, so then did forget corporal. Me forget sergeant, Bud Spencer forget sergeant. Jomo forget inspector. But not giving nothing stand.
Blood
So them have Dadrick work as a worker because I produce the goods all along. You know? Then I go farm anti-crime now in a 93. I did up on leave and them say me have to go up there. And when I come off a leave I go farm anti-crime. And the first operation I go back the anti-crime the Friday in July. On Friday in July, and the first operation we go back I Saturday the following Saturday. Some boy I go down the road and go at Clarendon and intercept a car on the back road when I got told it, intercept a car on the road there. And back road you can carry up in a Parkville and Manchester and kill a boy and get a Mach 11 gun.
Hold on man, you jump the thing man. Tell me that one man, the people want you that, not do me that man.
Some boy I go down there go rob. And when I go down there, and they intercept the car on the back road there, and told me to go up a Parkville like I drive to Rhinesbury. And after I intercept the car, a boy in the car, 4 boys in the car, and we kill 3 of them. Driver ram the car in the embankment and run out of that.
And the boy them pop off.
And a boy in the pop off for a Mach 11, you know, say a one shot, the fire shot him straight in the forehead.
Boom! And pitch that, boy.
Pitch that to the Mach 11, you know, so that 2 of them screech out the car to the car fast and get same back. You know, the brown dust there evening night just a come now. Shot a beat. So, but our intelligence work still in informant. Can't bug you.
Yeah, man.
You know them kind of word. So I saw now the gun will recover. I hit kill the boy named Maurice, or named Can. Maurice Can, a Spanish town where they call Candan, you know. You understand? I'll got case there. I may crack a case there.
Yeah.
Then Yeah, some case when me crack called the Mary Lynch case.
And that, no idea about that.
Yes, you know.
Hold on, first of all, remind the younger viewers them, cause the younger viewers them don't know who named Mary Lynch. Can we have all kind of listeners and subscribers?
Mary Lynch.
Tell them who.
Mary Lynch was a woman, sweet girl. And she meet this man the man, I think a Barbados the man comes from, but he live at Jamaica and they work with one of them private sector company there. I think I bank the man they work with him. He was a bank manager of the National Commercial Bank. And he married to Mary Lynch. And somehow now, them did have a farm out of Yuatan and St. Catherine. Right out another year away, Asaba, where we come from. We have a farm over there. And somehow Mary Lynch, you know what kind of domestic affairs she and the husband have, and she killed the man and carried the man body, got dump the man up a Smoky Vale. Because when them all are Smoky Vale, them find her up her friend yard. So she up a Constant Spring now and Garnet Daily say me for go up there because through my ear right now. Because it's the spring man them in an investigation. So me go up there and see the woman in the police station morning as me go. But as me come out of my vehicle and walk in the station, she in a holding area. And me and her I make 4. And for no one look for me, you know, and me looking at her, you know, like the two of we do the same thing, you know. Just start a quint, just like we are dim we eyes up. And one each one another, you know. And she said, and me smile and she smiled, so me say, why you smile, lady, you know, why you smile? Yeah, how you hot policeman come from? Me say me no hot, you a hot girl. So they must say to me say, sorry, I come back and talk about the woman hot, but I woman is a killer man. They said, so here, stop the man lie about being killed man. So me say to her, I say, which month of the year you born? And she tell me, you know, say me a the woman, we born the same 11th of December, but a different year. So you keep one rule and I see a sign. So me did that, me had soft talk and I go on. Then me just turn for her and say, alright, let me tell you something now. Me is not so much a nice man. Me nice only when me want nice. You hear? This Lynch, me come up here because here, me now go back downtown and you don't tell me which part you dump your man body. Because me know say you kill the man. And you dump him body. So me say, you know what, no. So you see up a Smoky video where you go up there woodland up where your friend live and I hope they carry the man body. And she start and I said to the police that she want to go and talk to the soup because this man just come and accuse her of this. They say me not accuse you, I don't shut up your mouth, you come box down your blood clot and thump out your teeth.
Yeah, you get dark immediately. Change the scene, right?
Some of you deal with her, man. And
yeah.
So realize that me not playing up. Me say, call me soup. Now soup can't come over here and tell me no. But come up here for one reason, and the reason come up here is to find your man's body, and you know where you dump the body.
Yeah.
And you can't go where you dump the body. And that's some broke the case.
Oh, she carry go show you?
Yes. Then I must carry go show everybody. You have me beat out every broke up every roots and all that. And some broke Mary Lynch case.
So which year was that? Which year was that? Which year was that, Dadrick?
I think you know, either late 90s or early 91.
No, late 80s, man. I think.
No, man. Mary Lynch,
yeah. Hold on, Mary Lynch another one to cut off her man hood. Which one of them cut off her man hood? No, she. And she did cut off her man hood.
Yeah, man, she chop up the man. Mary Lynch, man. I'm 90s, man.
You sure in the 90s or in the late 80s?
No, man, I'm 90s, man. I must be 92.
90, okay.
92, going 93.
Yeah, okay.
No, after Natty got dead.
Oh, after Natty, and Natty dead about 92. I went Natty dead, 92?
91, man.
91, no.
19th August, 91, man.
No, man, Natty dead 92, man.
Nah, man.
Me not ask you. Hear me know say Natty dead. Hold on.
Big man. Morgan dead the 19th of August 1991.
91? Hold on there.
1991.
Hold on there. Because me know. Hold on there.
One Saturday night, the 19th of August 1991. On Saturday night.
Oh yeah. No, yeah, you're right, you know why?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on, 91? Hold on, that's the man.
This is 1991. It's 1991. Don't let nobody tell you nothing.
Hold on.
Can't give all my gun number, my pistol number when me use.
Because you know, you see, hold on there. Yeah, you're right, you know. You're right, you know. 19th August 1991 was shot to death in an ambush. Like Reagan and Sandokan before him, Bob Buckley. You're right. Sorry, my apologies, sir.
Yeah, man. Hey, me a gospel in a big man. Anything me tell you a gospel in a.
True. Guru me name. Let's call me Guru, man. Guru me name, man. Call me Guru, see? Guru, yeah, Guru.
If me tell you, if me give you history of this, and with some police, we're not done for the whole evening, and them have my little my grandson birthday I go on outside.
Alright, hear what? Tomorrow, call me tomorrow, I will continue. And remember, text me the thing for
I text you the number where we have Zelle.
Yeah, right. See, so tomorrow, you know, brother. I may miss you call me, I'll call you back. I'm good on your studio, see? Alright, cool. Yeah, man, yeah.
Yeah, my people. Well, I know say, must have said, boy, this pilgrim here, this cap here, this stalwart, this giant in our business, brother, and JCF, a real crime fighter. You know, and it not get no realer than him. Me I tell you no, I mean no found you now, I hear for the first time. You know, when you check out the Jamaican butcher, the Natty Morgan store with some serious crime where him go on with. Understand? So you know, if you get him, trust me, it was a big trophy them time there. Yeah, man, if you don't want to know how deadly, for you guys who just join in, check out the Jamaican Butcher 11 episode. He has the biggest series on the channel, Natty Morgan. 11 episode. But now at the first, may I get the real in-depth, and Uno I get the real in-depth, how it really go. Similar, but more in-depth, because the man say, him have a 16 and him fire 26, and that wasn't made public until you hear it now from Dadrick, Magic Dadrick, the legend himself. But do remember, you know, people, Dadrick has suffered from prostate cancer. I'm out to lose him also. The link in the description. Anything you can get, you know, Real Helping Hands, GoFundMe, and the reason why we use Real Helping Hands, because it caters more for our Caribbean community in terms of when people sign up for the regular GoFundMe, them take out more money as tax. You understand me? But GoFundMe, but Real Helping Hands take out less. So, you know, whosoever we donate into, get more in them pocket. You understand me? And at that one, because that's the primary objective. You see me? So I'm open to enjoy the story. It not finished yet. You understand? We have about 2 more episodes until the finale. Please like, share and subscribe. Please just leave a comment, man. You understand? I see the man tell you how corruption is the business just because him say one party. Because man have a right for vote, you know, that time constitutional right. We like and the man go Nazi. You see me? And through him say Nazi, and who in charge at the time say PMP, them bant on him. And don't promote him and promote who has a labor right. You see me? So corruption rife everywhere. Corruption, and him set up the thing, because remember him going there with the back, you know. And him, the brother, open up to and start tell everything, you know. You understand me? So him are the man where organize the thing. I hear every police story, most police story, even Natty Morgan story, you hear about Spungy George. Well, no found in us a Spungy George picture. Well, me just get Spunky George picture and me have Fiend Badness where me I go drop separate soon. You understand me? So listen out for Spunky, one of the wickedest, them call him Pussy Eye Spunky. Brother, him nah no art. Him nah no art. Pussy Eye Spunky. And him run me down one day too. Me go tell you know him run me down. So listen out for that story. Spunky George run down Guru. Wicked, dark and brawler. I'm gonna tell you why run me down. I run your fuck. You think we dead? God do him never catch me. So listen out for that story there. This Spunky. But wait, yo, we see the best in last. So thanks for listening. If you listen to the end, I appreciate it. Yeah, remember Darker Side of Paradise, but book out them. And if you want it, man, $50 copy. Nothing in it, man. You see me? We are teaching you them. You see me? And subscribe to the True Island Extras channel or put up some video up there and Willie shots. And Patreon squad, big up. Thank you for supporting me. Enough video in the Patreon WhatsApp where they've on YouTube and be enough video can't post some grimy things so now miss out. And if you want to join the Patreon, you don't know the Patreon WhatsApp, you have to join the Patreon and you get the secret password. When you get the secret password down, when you text the number, they will add you. You understand? The instructions is in there. So big up on yourself, walk good, stay out of trouble, remember youth. But if you choose to pick up the gun or the knife, then there's a chance you might end up in True Island Stories. What? Well, you choose I am Joy.
Pepper, you know the real G-thing, huh? How I grow up, sometime the road tough side slow. Real patriots never buck, never fall. How they get to run, that's why. Back from the boy, who not do that. Boy, who no can't kill with joy, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, and a man bust a shot him off a pack up and board. Pointed pon him head back and board. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, no assumption. I saw the ground run. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation. I see the said someone wanted man will live long. Name one. Things forever buried with no done. Name one. One good honest politician. Name one. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy who no do that. Boy, who no can't kill with joy. Who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, now a man better boy. And a man bust a shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, you a man better. Things risky, for the misfit. Death rate fit the logistic. Chris, I want the biscuit. Be a tough crackers with the whiskey. You're not listening. Crime live here, so it's not visiting. Visitors, careful, you know what the business is. Murder, plunder, pillaging, bloodshed in all the villages. You name it, you will live in it. Death reach a door, special delivery. Nightmare, tormented images. Vengeance, bloody cycle continuing. But know you seek that, but it's no revenge. Looking at the mirror, there is no different. Man, we're full of, hey, and we know we trends back from the boy, who no do that. Who no can't tell with joy, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yup, now a man better. Any man bust no shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, now a man better. No assumption, I saw the ground run. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation, passing the said someone wanted man will live long. Name one, himself a lot with no name one. One honest politician, name one who. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy who no do that. Can't kill with joy on the back. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, a man better boy. Any man bust a shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him do it. But none of that to the top. Yo, you know the thing going on, suck a seat up a beat, you know. Hey man, take your time man. Boy, man. Man to them pepper.